Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Samsung Smart TV. Easy setup step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on your Samsung Smart TV, start by turning on your TV. Ensure your Samsung Smart TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the Smart Hub by pressing the Home button on your remote. From the Smart Hub, scroll down to the Apps section and select it. In the Apps menu, use the search feature to type in Peacock. Once you find the Peacock app, select it to open the app detail. Click on the Install button to download the app to your TV. After the installation is complete, open the Peacock app. You will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you need to create an account, follow the on-screen instructions to set one up. After signing in, you may see a prompt to activate your device. Take note of the activation code displayed on your TV screen. On another device, open a web browser and visit the Peacock activation website. Enter the activation code from your TV into the provided field. Click on the Submit button to confirm the activation. Once activated, return to your Samsung Smart TV. You should now have full access to Peacock's content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies on Peacock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.